Hey everyone, and welcome back to From Raw to Ready. Today we're shrinking down to explore the world of everyone's favorite building blocks, Lego bricks. These little plastic wonders have sparked creativity and imagination in children and adults for generations. But have you ever wondered how these seemingly simple bricks come to life? Join us on a bricktastic adventure as we delve into the fascinating world of Lego manufacturing. We'll explore the journey of a Lego brick, from the raw materials to the intricate molding process and the rigorous quality control that ensures every brick clicks perfectly into place. So grab your favorite Lego set, or a virtual one in your mind, and get ready to be amazed. A history built on innovation, the Lego legacy. The Lego story began in 1932 in Billund, Denmark, with a man named Ole Kirk Christiansen. Originally a carpenter, Christiansen started making wooden toys, including the now iconic automatic binding bricks, which laid the foundation for the Lego system we know today. 1. Early evolution. These early wooden bricks were well received for their focus on quality and play value. However, Christiansen recognized the potential of plastic and shifted production to plastic bricks in the 1940s. 2. The birth of the Lego system. The now famous interlocking stud and tube design we associate with Lego bricks was patented in 1958. 2. This innovative design allowed for endless building possibilities and truly set Lego apart from other building block toys. 3. Global phenomenon. From humble beginnings, Lego has become a global phenomenon, captivating children and adults worldwide. 3. Today, Lego sets encompass a vast array of themes, from classic cityscapes to fantastical Star Wars creations. The story of Lego is one of innovation, dedication to quality, and a deep understanding of the power of play. But how do these colorful bricks actually come to be? Let's embark on a journey through the Lego factory. Behind the scenes, the Lego manufacturing process. Lego bricks are manufactured in several factories around the world, with each adhering to the same rigorous standards. Here's a breakdown of the key steps involved. 1. Raw materials. The journey begins with high-quality ABS plastic granules. 1. ABS, acrylonitrile butadienestyrene, is a durable and safe plastic that meets stringent safety regulations for children's toys. 2. Coloring the mix. The plastic granules are then mixed with color pigments to create the vibrant colors we see in Lego bricks. 2. Lego uses a complex system to ensure color consistency across all bricks of the same color, even those produced in different factories at different times. 3. Injection. Molding. The colored plastic granules are fed into massive injection molding machines. 3. These machines heat the granules until they melt, then inject the molten plastic under high pressure into metal molds shaped like Lego bricks. The molds themselves are incredibly precise and require meticulous maintenance. Each mold cavity replicates the exact design of a specific Lego brick, ensuring perfect size, shape, and functionality. The injection molding process is incredibly fast, with millions of Lego bricks being produced every day. But speed doesn't compromise quality. 1. Cooling and demolding. Once injected, the plastic cools and solidifies within the mold. 1. The molds then open, and the newly formed Lego bricks are ejected. 2. Quality control. Every single Lego brick goes through a rigorous quality control process. 2. Automated systems and trained personnel inspect the bricks for any imperfections, such as color variations, warping, or flaws in the interlocking studs and tubes. 2. Any brick that doesn't meet the exacting standards is removed and recycled. This meticulous quality control ensures that every Lego brick you receive clicks together perfectly and provides a consistent building experience. But the journey doesn't end there. 1. Sorting and packing. The flawless bricks are then sorted according to type and size and meticulously packaged into sets based on the instructions. 2. Off to the world! 2. Finally, the completed Lego sets are shipped to retailers worldwide, ready to spark imaginations and inspire hours of creative play. A world of creativity built brick by brick. The beauty of Lego lies in its limitless potential for creativity. Here's why these little bricks continue to captivate people of all ages. 1. Endless building possibilities. The interlocking design of Lego bricks allows for an infinite number of creations. From simple structures to elaborate models, the only limit is your imagination. 2. Playful learning. Lego sets encourage creativity, problem-solving skills, and fine motor development in children. 2. They also provide a platform for storytelling and social interaction. 3. A nostalgic connection. For many adults, Lego bricks evoke feelings of nostalgia and childhood wonder. Building with Lego can be a relaxing and therapeutic activity, allowing you to tap back into your inner child. 4. Thematic variety. Lego sets cater to a wide range of interests, from classic themes like cityscapes and castles to licensed sets based on popular movies and video games. 4. There's a Lego set for everyone! Lego isn't just about the bricks themselves, it's about the stories you create and the worlds you build. From iconic spaceships to sprawling cityscapes, the possibilities are endless. Beyond the brick, exploring the world of Lego. The world of Lego extends far beyond the factory floor. Here's a glimpse behind the scenes of the creative process. 1. The design team. A dedicated team of talented designers conceptualize and develop new Lego sets. 1. They work closely with engineers, product managers, and often collaborate with external partners like movie studios or game developers for licensed sets. 2. Computer-aided design, CAD. Advanced CAD software is used to meticulously design each Lego brick and set. 2. This ensures perfect functionality and compatibility between different elements. 3. Prototyping and testing. Before reaching store shelves, new Lego sets go through rigorous testing by both children and adults. 3. This feedback helps refine the design and ensures a fun and engaging building experience. The future of the brick. Innovation and sustainability. Lego is constantly innovating and looking towards the future. Here are some exciting developments. 1. Sustainable materials. Lego is committed to sustainability and is exploring the use of recycled materials in their bricks. 1. This commitment to environmental responsibility ensures that future generations can enjoy the joy of Lego bricks. 2. New building techniques. Lego continues to develop new building techniques and elements to expand creative possibilities. 2. From motorized sets to programmable bricks, the future of Lego is sure to be exciting. Lego's journey, from a simple wooden brick to a global phenomenon, is a testament to the power of imagination and innovation. These little bricks have the potential to spark creativity, connect families, and bring joy to people of all ages. So, the next time you click 2 Lego bricks together, remember the incredible journey they've taken to get there. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating world of Lego. We hope you're inspired to build something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures that explore the how and why behind everyday things. And remember, the only limit is your imagination, so get building.